My dear subscriber, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I want to talk to you about this Amiga 4000 motherboard. This Amiga 4000 motherboard, A4000TX revision 1, made by Hese. And this board is an Amiga 4000 board in a tower version. Now, why is this so interesting? Let me tell you about it. First of all, let's start with this revision 1.0. I absolutely love this. And I'm gonna tell you why. Let's just scroll on some pictures. You can see front and the back side over here. You can see with the components on. This Amiga 4000 TX board, as you can see up top, can you see the mouse cursor? Yeah. I will just point up top. You have the connector for the CPU board. Over here, you have the 68030 processor. Beautiful. Over here, you can install the Kickstart ROM. Nice. Down here, normal PC PSU, hard disk, floppy drive, VGA connector, 15 kilohertz, no scan Doppler, but nice. Mini jack for audio out, nice. 2032 battery over here, nice. But we're not done yet. Look at this area. This is built-in 2 megabyte chip RAM, nice. Over here we have connectors for the fast RAM and Zorro slots down at the bottom. What makes this build so interesting for me, again, revision 1.0, got some few pictures. We're just gonna scroll this one. As you can see, you can install an FPU also. That's beautiful. More components, the custom chips, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Look at this one. It says power LED, power switch, reset, hard disk LED, just like on the normal PCs. Yeah, Zorro slots, RAM, and so on. But look at this, guys. This is just so beautiful because this board, as you can see, the screws here are actually the same on a normal PC case. So this Amiga board fits perfect in a PC cabinet, a PC case. Love that. Think about building one of these boards in a desktop case, buy a new super nice slick looking PC case and put this Amiga 4000 TX board in it. It would just look and feel awesome. Have a brand new PSU, give some quality power, have your compact flash, hard disk solution, everything. I mean, this is I love this. Thank you, Hese, for doing this. This is just some beautiful stuff. You can see more pictures. You can see the measurements just in a second, guys. Now this is from 2018. Nothing new, but wait a second, guys. Wait a second. And look at this. You can put in 40 or 60 CPUs. Beautiful stuff. Hard disk, floppy disk. Yeah, also CD-ROM drive if you want that. Beautiful. Look at all that RAM. Love that stuff. I think as it is here, it's a perfect build, right? But oh, look at this, guys. The PC connectors in there. Beautiful stuff. I just hope someone in the community, maybe it has been done, will make a backplate for the PC cases that. So this one looks, yeah, so it's closed. Oh, Amiga joysticks. Look at this here. The measurements, 30 centimeter, 12, 34. So it can fit in a, normal ATX case. Beautiful stuff. I love that. And the T model, it has the daughter board included. So you don't have the riser board and all stuff like that in the D models. Well, what's the fun part? Why am I showing this? Let's just move over here. Now this is the interesting part. This is revision 1.0. 1 from Hese. I don't know if I pronounce your name right, sir, but Hese from here. I mean, I just love what this guy has done. This is, thank you for doing this for the Amiga community. I mean, this is just some awesome stuff. This is not something you do, this is not copying something. This is taking a product and just optimizing it. Look at this, guys. This is, oh my God. This revision 1.1, it's awesomeness. At this picture, you can see 6830 built-in kickstart over here, a FPU chip over here. You can put in other CPUs up top, as I can see, CIAs. Again, mini jack, VGA, Amiga joystick mouse, up top, PS2 keyboard. Down here, look at this. The old revision had 4 RAM banks here. This one has only have 2. It's so beautiful. Let's just go ahead and look at some more pictures. Look at this, guys. It's just awesomeness in a can. As you can see, revision 1.1, 2020 Hese A4000 TX. I mean, I love this. This is just for any Amiga collector user. This is a great solution. Again, this board built in a new super nice PC case. Everything, all the screws, everything fits. Let's look at the RAM here and let's look at the upgrades. So, the revision 1.1 Amiga 4000 TX revision 1.1 is finally ready. It has following improvements. Look at this. Onboard fast RAM support up to 112 megabyte of RAM. So you have the built-in 2 megabyte chip and you can have 112 megabyte fast RAM. Isn't that just beautiful? Don't you just love it? Down here, Kickstart ROM supports up to 4 megabytes of RAM. Next part, PC keyboard, PC mouse support. I mean, it's not easy finding Amiga 4000 keyboards today. Having this option to just put in a PC mouse, PC keyboard, and you can get some pretty amazing keyboards today. I love that. Of course, I also love the 112 megabytes of fast RAM, but the mouse and keyboard, it's just great. Again, you can install the native Amiga floppy drives, but look at this. And PC floppy drives. Love that. And this last thing over here, power connectors for 2 case fans. Beautiful stuff. Great updates. Love that stuff. So you can put in 64, as you can see, a jumper here. It says 64 megabyte. Beautiful stuff, man. I love this revision 1.1. Yeah, all the parts over here. Oh, black with everything gold looks astonishing. The best part is over here. As you can see, the Amiga 4000, you can log into Amibay and buy one of these cards, man. Amiga 4000 TX 1.1. You can buy these PBCs, a blank Amiga 4000 TX revision 1.1 motherboard. You will get the bill of materials. You will get pre-filled Mauser shopping cart. 90% of the components are there, it says. And as you can see, these are the custom chips you have to buy. Yeah, FPU is optional. CPU is optional, of course. Yeah, these are the stuff you have to buy, the custom chips. And the best part, This beautiful board, revision 1.1, only costs €100, guys. Come on. €100, and you can order this board now from Hese on Amibay from Finland. I have ordered the board. I am just looking so much forward to this project. Of course, I'm gonna film everything. Of course, I'm gonna share everything with you guys. The custom chips, yeah, I know what you're thinking. In my case, I have a guy in the UK. He has got a lot of new old stock custom chips, and I'm buying everything. I'm buying everything pretty cheap. I can't see the price. If you know him, you have to, yeah, whatever, dude. But yeah, I'm getting new old stock parts. So the custom chips, it's gonna be a great build, guys. So with this video, I just want to tell you, first of all, you have the opportunity to buy this. I mean, if you don't have solder skills, buy it. Pay another guy or a friend, give them some beers, whatever you can manage. Let him build this, because you can have this beautiful board in a brand new PC case. In my case, I want to buy a desktop case, not a tower, a desktop. You know, have all the LED lights and all that at the front. You can see everything. I will have a disk drive. I will have I will buy a brand new PC disk drive, brand new PSU. Give it some quality power. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so. I didn't know about this project. One of my friends said, "Dude, do you know this one has been updated to 1.1?" And I was like, Amiga 4000 tower? I'm not interested in the towers. He said, wait a second, dude. I know you love the desktop, and look at this. Because I have Amiga 4000 revision D motherboards, and it's so hard to find, original cases for them today. And he said, dude, look at this. You can just buy one of these boards, and all the holes, everything fits on a brand new PC case. It's just what you're looking for. And this is what I'm looking for, because I have had some different version of Amiga 4000s, Amiga 3000s, and I have found out, for me, the Amiga 4000 DCR model is just my favorite model. I made buying ads everywhere for about a year, and finally I got one of them, the DCR model, and I love that because they're born without the water battery. So we have no water damage. They're born with onboard 2 megabytes of chip RAM, so you don't have to think about that. They're born with onboard 030 CPU, which is pretty compatible when you want to play WSD games. I absolutely love the Amiga 4000 DCR model. And this is Amiga 4000 DCR with Zorro slots included. And with this revision, with everything going on, this is just a must buy. Thank you for listening. If you like this as much as I do, you still can go in and order them on Amibay, buy them from Hese. I'm not getting a payment for this, no, nothing. This is coming from my heart. I'm so excited about this product. I just want to say thank you to Hese for doing this. Thank you very much. And I just want to share my love and happiness about this product. And if you haven't heard about it, go ahead and check it out, guys. This is just some beautiful stuff, and I hope it catches your interest and you also want to go ahead and build your own Amiga, because I will, and I want to film it, and I'm going to share it with you guys. Until next time, check out some of my other videos, guys. Have a great day out there. RETROCENGO out.